Shoot that man, shoot that guy. 280 degrees north. Oh shit, man, charging has been completed. Oh, it's my shutdown, guys. So, I think you also have the same situation, right? Idea, let's make power bank. So, if you want to make it at home, so watch this video till end. Don't forget to subscribe. So first we need a two 18650 cells, and now we should have to check the voltage of batteries using multimeter. The 18650 battery power should be above 3.7 volts. Yes, this is in good condition. We can use these batteries or cells. So it is 4.2 watts. It's very good. So this is power bank module which I have purchased from Mega Bazaar. If you have not seen the last video, watch that video. Now we take some PVC board and we have cut it in some small mini shapes. Now let's tape the 1850 batteries for steady position. After that we will taking wires and measurements. After that we can cut the wires in small pieces. So after that let's go for soldering process. So guys, while soldering we should have to be careful. Why? Because the soldering iron is very heat, right? It can also damage the batteries. After soldering, the connection should be in parallel only. icons like positive, negative and negative.
Guys, I have made a power bank which is mini, powerful and compact. So, let's test it. Yeah guys, it's working. So guys, it's working 100%. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to MDA Workshops. So let's close the video and let's continue our game. So guys, thanks for watching MDA Workshops. Our more videos are coming soon on YouTube. Thank you.